Hello, my name is Christopher Stout. I'm a stock investor and have invested in a number of stocks over the past few weeks. I have tracked my investing progress, making sure to write about the stocks that I bought and why. In this video, I will show viewers some of the companies that I invested in and my tips for stock investing. Buying and trading stocks can be a tricky business, especially in the fragile economy that we live in today. Tip 1. Don't invest in a company solely because the stock recently gained value. I have made this mistake multiple times. For example, I bought stock in a company named Arctic Cat because the stock had recently increased in value. That same week, the stock I bought in Arctic Cat decreased in value. I will notice that a company's stocks are doing really well, invest a lot of money into the company, only to see the value of the stock go down the next day due to economic uncertainty. I learned this lesson the hard way. This leads me to my next tip. Tip 2. Sell a stock if the stock has lost 10% of its value since the date of purchase. When a stock has lost 10% of its value, investors become nervous, which leads to additional losses. Special circumstances may warrant keeping the stock. For example, a company is about to unveil a new product that will raise the stock's value. Tip 3. Determine how much risk one is willing to take based on the investor's age and ability to withstand a loss. If an investor is 70 years old, I would not suggest investing in a company that has a high level of volatility. An exception to this tip would be if the investor is planning to pass their stocks to others when he or she passes away. Tip 4. Before a stock purchase into a company, research background information regarding the company's stock performance history. One method to research a company's stocks is to do a Google search on the previous 12-month high, low, and average price of a company's stock. Tip 5. Consult with professional stockbrokers to help choose what stocks to invest in. By talking with stockbrokers, one can try to avoid money-losing purchases. Not only can one learn from investor or broker mistakes, but also what purchases were profitable. Tip 6. Invest in the British pound sterling. The British pound sterling accounts for 12% of all Federal Reserves held by governments worldwide. $1 US is the equivalent of 0.64 British pound sterling. If an investor has any additional funds, diversifying their portfolio is advised. Buying and selling stocks can be an enjoyable and profitable experience if done correctly. If done incorrectly, however, there can be severe repercussions that could negatively impact your finances. Always make educated and researched decisions regarding stock investing, and do not be disappointed if in the beginning large amounts of profit are not made. Many investors have become wealthy and provided financial security for generations to come based on their wise stock purchases and sales. I hope that this video is enlightening on what and what not to do in the stock market based on my personal experiences. Thank you for watching this video.